Going off tackle again, and he's got a lane. He's brought, oh, we got flags flying high in the air. And there goes number 2 for the Raptors, and he's got nothing but daylight. Touchdown, Raptors!
Eyes open.
The point after. Field 2, muscle. For the point after. He's coming to the outside. He throws the ball. And it's good. Field 2, Citrus County comes out on offense. And he's got about. Second down, Hurricanes. Coming right up together, bobbing and weaving and moving, and here come a bunch of Raptors again, and those Raptors are swarming. Here come the Colts on offense on field 1. We got flags on field 2, false start, and that'll back the. And we got one getting the outside corner. And the Colts will drop back and punt for about 25 yards. Here come the Raptors. He's a fake cut up the middle. And the Hurricane. And up the gut. He's got a hole on field 1. He's got one man to beat. And he got him. Touchdown, Raptors! Raptors go for the point after on field 2. Looks to pass, batted up in the air, falls harmlessly to the ground. Point after no good. And we got 14-0 on both fields. Here come the Hurricanes on offense. Don't know what happened there. He must have started out with a penalty. And that's the point after, I'm sorry. And he's in for the point after. Raptors all over. Quarterback tries to roll outside. He's got no help, and he is just swarmed over. That was a bank robbery by the Outlaws there. And nowhere, the Outlaws are all over that play. And here comes the Raptors trying to get the corner. He's spinning and turning. And touchdown, Raptors! Send a guy in motion. Bobble snap, picks it up, and a Hurricane falls on him. First down 10, Hurricanes. And Citrus County comes right off tackle. And off up the middle. Oh, no. Going to try the left side, right side. He's slammed. And Hurricanes got the corner. And he's corralled out of bounds, but I didn't think he'll get a first down. Griffins bring up third down for the Colts. First down, Hurricanes on field 2. And he's going to try the other side, and the Raptors are all over that. 8 Hurricanes. Hurricanes going to come up the middle for a couple. Here come the Colts up the... Colts will punt. Hurricanes will get the outside. He breaks a tackle. He's to the 20, 19, 18, driving down to about the 12-yard line. Hand off up the middle, and he's swarmed upon by a few. And here come the Hurricanes driving and pushing and pulling down to the 3. Outlaws up for the point after. And the round. And he's going off tackle. He's driving. He's pushing. He's in. Touchdown, Hurricanes! We got flags on the play. False start on the Hurricanes. All right, here come the Hurricanes with the point after attempt. Number 2 under center. He double pumps. He's coming around the corner. He's going to try to take it, and he'll fall just short. Horn dog. I'm waiting to see your name up here, buddy. Show me something. Shotgun set, number 1 deep. And he's going to try to keep it. They got him by a shirt. They're pulling him. He's still going, though, and he'll lose y'all. What I want today? He's got the outside, and he's brought down. Raptors 20, Hurricanes 6, but the Hurricanes are touchdown, Outlaws. .22 goes to the off tackle, picks up a couple. He's got a blocker, crack back block, point after good. To the concession stand, it's time to get ready. Here come the Raptors. He stood up by a couple of Hurricanes and brought down, but he'll have a first down. And the Hurricanes stood up. Patrick Ferguson, please report to field 1. Patrick Ferguson, if you're here, please go. Hand off up the gut for the Raptors, and he's still driving. He's got 2 or 3. And he's dragging and pulling. It's going to bring up 4th down. Any chance of staying in this game, they're going to need that stop here. The ball is going to be a direct step up center, and he will be. Second down and 8 for the Raptors on field 2. Up the gut he comes, he breaks, he's got 1 man to beat, he beats him, touchdown Raptors, number 5, do you dance? Point after attempt for the Raptors on field 2. Looks like he's going to try to pass. Nobody open. He's still looking to pass. He beats 1 and he's in. Point after good by number 1. Third down and 9. And the Raptors are all over the ball. Player over there bringing up 4th. That's what I told him. He got lucky over here.
Oh, he don't feel nothing.
No, there's no breeze over here.
Wow. I thought these kids, these right here,
Big East way, Big East play. 2 weeks of Colts play and Big East play.
And here come the Pee Wee Colts getting warmed up for the 5 o'clock game. Touchdown Raptors! Rolls, passes, out of reach. No good. 1. Hurricanes are on field 2 with the ball. He breaks a tackle that got him by his shirt. He'll pick up a... And 32 breaks a tackle, but he's bulldogged down, but he's got a nice gain and a flag on the play. And it's 3rd. And they're in the backfield again. It'll be 4th down for the Colts. Here come the Hurricanes off tackle, and he's dragging a few for a couple more yards. Hurricanes. The Raptors will check in on field 1 on offense, 1st and 10. We got whistles. Handoff, breaks 1 tackle, breaks another. It's a foot race. He's bumbling, tumbling, Colts. Raptors, oh, they got him to jump. That'll bring up to hold on to this lead. Handoff up the middle. Colts are all over him. He's going nowhere. Formation, Evans. Hands off. He's trying to get outside. He breaks 1. He's down the sideline. It's a foot race. He could go all the way. Touchdown, Colts. Formation, Evans under center. Give to Aaron McNair, and he's bottled up right there, but the Colts. Trying the outside, he throws a pass, just out of the reach of a Colt and a Raptor, and falls to the ground. 2nd down. He's coming around the corner. He beat 1 Colt. He beats 2 Colts. He's brought out of bounds. We got flags flying. Second down and a long way to go. And he's going nowhere. That'll bring up 3rd down. He throws it. He's got an open receiver. He caught. He's spinning, and they're doing the barn dance, and that'll be a 1st down for the Raptors. Trying to get the outside corner. Colts are all over him, but he's still bobbing and weaving. Body's going. He breaks out of the mess. He's down the sideline. He's got blockers in front. They picked him up. And he's brought down, but he will score. Touchdown, Raptors.
Stop the clock. 5 time.
Point after attempt. He's looking to throw. He throws. drops it, falls to the ground, no good.
Hey, Dave.
Yeah, that's fine.
Will you call Tim Weaver and tell him we have a kid?
On the Colts offense, they're going to try to hold. And we take a knee. One more to go as the JV Colts take the field. Who are you playing? Where? Who are you playing? Who are you playing? On Harvard?
Yeah.
Oh.